tenerete keganche kenene aiga Kenya Mheshimiwa John MBADI niga bwatokire ujumbe gochia saba Kenya Chingaki Chiga chigo chengero moyiga bwese guko na bego kwariga ni mwako muya bwechirubere meronge bere na etano noyomo hasa kwaniro ko ni okororo gukwerenda Chingaki Chiga na bego kwaneke abuna nkogendera bare komenya sencherengi ya nemerobere yabo andonsi asibare bunenchire moyo kwagacha na korendensi ya Kenya Mheshimiwa MBADI niga kwanire sekta yaye ye ekeganche kenna sate abiri nagendate kobeka emeroberio na nemone serikali negente kwebeka sencherengi ya kweneke abuna uchumi yensi ya Kenya nechiko gendera kokoria buya kero ense ye irachi gotambuka mwako muya wechirubere meronge bere netano noyo.
So fellow Kenyans, as we gather with our families and loved ones during this Christmas season and holidays, we are reminded that the greatest gifts are not material gifts. This is a period of hope, this is a period of compassion, and it is a period of togetherness, coming together. We have faced a lot of challenges in the course of the year, but this reassures us that we are a resilient people, that we are a country which is committed, that from all villages we have been working together as a country, and we have upheld the fabrics, the social fabric of this country. I know, and it is my belief, that when we stand together, when we move forward together, then we will achieve a lot together. And this Christmas holiday is another period of reflection. We need now to step back a bit and ask ourselves, what is it that we were not able to achieve in 2025, which going to 2026 we may achieve in a better way. As we do all this, we must remember that this is also the period where we lose the majority of Kenyans on our roads. I would appeal to all motorists to take care, be careful, drive with caution and care so that we can protect lives. Let's not be exhausted in our driving. Let's make sure that we maintain our sanity during this period. As we move to 2026, it is my hope that it will be a better year for Kenya, even as we move towards 2027 election. From the National Treasury perspective, we will do what it takes to help even now move our economy forward. We have stabilized it. Now what we need to do is just to give it a leap, give it a jump to move to the next level. Thank you very much. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy 2026. Thank you.